Hey there, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the easiest way to create a website, beautiful website using Claude Code. So I'm going to show you all the process here step by step. So I will recommend you to watch the full video. Don't skip any of this part, okay? And this is going to be a crazy tutorial. If you are a beginner, you can actually build a website, using Claude Code, okay? So let's start the video, and at first I will actually show you how you can install Claude Code in your PC. So we have three different way to install this. Either we can use their desktop application, or maybe they are by using terminal. Here you can see a command prompt, okay? And we have another way, and that is by using the extension. So if you want to use the third option, and that is with an extension, this is going to be the easiest one. And for this you have to have either VS Code or Google Anti-Gravity in your PC, okay? So let's just go with the VS Code, okay? So I'm going to go with the VS Code here, Visual Studio Code. Let me open this. So if you don't know how to install Visual Studio Code, this is very simple. Just go to the browser and go for VS Code. If you search it on the browser, then you will actually get the official website link of VS Code here, okay? Here you can see code.visualstudio.com. So click here in this link, and it will actually take you to the download page. Here we go. Now click here download for macOS. In your case, if you're from Windows, there will be download for Windows option, okay? So install this. At first you have to download this, okay? Then install it. So I have already this, so I'm not going to actually do this once again. And here you can see currently I have the updated version. So this is the interface. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this, and here you go. This is the welcome page. If you don't want to see this welcome page every single time, you can actually uncheck it, show welcome page on startup, but it's okay. Let's go with it. And here I will actually go for the extension section. Here you can see in the left side, and here we'll go for the Claude Code for VS Code. All right guys, here you can see this is from anthropic.com, okay? So this is official, and we are going to actually use it, okay? So I already have this, you can see, installed. Now here we have a chat icon. When you will install this, there will be a chat icon, you can see. So either you can click here, and then there will be a chat option, or maybe you can actually go with this option. You can see Claude icon here, and if you click a new session, and there will also be chat option, you can see. We are going to use the extension, under this extension section, we are going to use this one, okay? We need the new session here. So for this you have to actually open a folder, okay? So let's go here in the file explorer and open a folder. Let's want to open a folder here in the downloads. Now if you want to make Django project, there will be a option, and if you want to make a PHP project, you can actually do this. But as PHP is a server-side scripting language, for this we need a server, okay? So make sure you have installed PHP in your PC. So how can you get make sure that you have installed PHP? Just type PHP-v. If you get it, it means you have installed PHP. Here you can see I haven't actually installed PHP, so I'll not show you how actually do this. How you can actually create here a PHP website. All the process will be same for different project. Like if you want to make it with the Laravel also, or maybe Django, process is same, okay? You don't have to worry about it. What you need to do here, if you want to go with the PHP, you have to have a server for this. That's it. So I will suggest you to go with the XAMPP, okay? You can go to the browser and go for XAMPP. If you type XAMPP and search it on the browser, then you'll get it, www.apachefriends.org, okay? Go to that link, and there will be XAMPP downloaded link. You can see if I click here in the download, then here you can see XAMPP for Windows, XAMPP for Linux, and XAMPP for macOS. Go with the latest version, okay? And download this and install this. Then you can actually use XAMPP server, okay? And then you can add this folder in the htdocs folder, XAMPP htdocs folder, okay? Then you can actually create a PHP project. But here as I have no PHP downloaded in my PC, so I can actually show you Django project, okay? Let's say I want to build a portfolio website. So here is the folder. You can see currently it is inside a downloads folder, okay? And then beautiful website folder. So now we are going to go here in this chat option, and if we click a new session, then this session, specific session, will be for this specific folder or directory or project. So now here I'm going to give a professional prompt, and it will actually generate the whole project for me. As it is a Django project, make sure you have installed Python in your PC. So let me say here Python -- version. Okay, if you're from Mac, you have to say here Python 3. And if you're from Linux also, you have to say here Python 3. Then you will get Python 3 latest version, you can see, and that is 1.4.6. Okay, so we have been installed Python. So let's go for the prompt. So for the prompt, we can actually go to the browser and go back to the chatgpt.com here. Now it will give me a professional prompt. Here you can see these are little information about my project. Now if you are doing this for your client, you can actually give all the client requirements here and then ask for a prompt. Okay, so you can see here we have a professional prompt. Now we can actually go to this prompt, and if we need to change anything, we can mention here and regenerate the prompt. I'm okay with it, so I'm going to copy this. Okay, so let's go here and copy this, and now we are going to go back here in the VS Code, and here we are going to paste it. All right guys, we have successfully pasted it. Now here we are going to choose any of the mode here. Now if you're from the for the first time, you will get here manual, edit automatically, and plan only. So I will recommend you to go with the plan mode. Okay, and I already create some projects, so I have here this option auto. In your case, if you actually select this plan mode, then there will be some pop-up for the permissions. If you give all the permission, then you will get here auto mode also. Okay, so select auto mode and hit enter. Now it will actually generate the whole project for you. Okay, here you can see we are getting here all the folders, necessary folders and all the things. So yes guys, I'll show you the project output. For now I'm going to fast forward the video. So guys, here you can see we have our project here. So let's go here live. You can see now you can actually open this in a browser. So let's copy this. Okay, basically we're going to copy this and we're going to go to the browser and we'll open from the browser. Okay, so paste it here, and here you go, we have the portfolio site. Now let's zoom out it, and here you can see this is the output. This is our website. We have about section, services, portfolio, contact. Now this solid website, right? You can see nice footer we have, and we have a nice header also, and you can see happy clients, 85 plus happy clients, and this is animated, right? So yes, now let's go for the login, and here we are going to check what are the credentials, and here you go, this time it should work. Here you go, we have a nice portfolio dashboard side. You can see from here we can add here profile, projects, and all the stuffs you can see, and we have services here, and we have message section, and it's working, right? So guys, I have shown you how you can create a beautiful website using Claude Code. That's it guys, I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video.